Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, in today's video, we're going to solve the exercises of chapter 19. In my last video, we have solved the some exercises of chapter 19, and now today's we're going to solve the next exercises. So for that, you all take out your notebook and mention the date of today and mention the heading. So heading is underline the preposition in these sentences. So students, here is the first sentence. The dog walked beside his master. So in this sentence, we have to underline the word beside. Okay. After that, next is number 2. I went down the stairs. So here is the word down is a preposition, so we have to underline the word down. Now next, third is the men are sitting under the tree. So here we have to underline the word under. Okay, we have to underline the word under. Next, number 4, Ayush kept his head above the water. So here are the word above is a preposition, so we have to underline above. Okay, now next, in number 5, we wear woolen cloth in winter. So here we have to underline the word in. Okay student, now next, number 6 is don't hide behind the curtain. So here are the word behind is a preposition, so we have to underline the word behind. Okay, now next, number 7. In number 7, our dance class gets over at 3 p.m. So here are the word over, we have to underline. In number 8, I need to stress to get onto that table. I need to stress to get onto that table, so we have to underline the word on to. Okay, we have to underline the word on to. 9 number is the guest arrived on time. So here we have to underline the word on. Now next, number 10, we were waiting to get into the examination hall. So here is the word into, we have to underline. Okay, now next, in number 11, so there is a word, the children were playing in the park. So we have to underline the word in, because it is a preposition word, so we have to underline the preposition word in. Now last one is 12, you must finish your project by tomorrow. So here the by word is a preposition, so we have to underline the word by. Okay, now student, come to the next is choose the appropriate preposition from those given in the brackets. So here we have to choose the correct preposition, and after that write on the given blankets. Okay, given blanks. So let's do it. So in number 1, there is a sentence, last night I studied blank midnight. So here are the 3 example, 3 option, by, until, since. So we have to choose the correct one, which is until. So we have to write until. Okay. Next, second, the cat ran blank the house. So we have to choose the correct into, and after that write on the given blanks. So we have to write into. Okay. Now next, third is Mariam put the pile of clothes blank the bed. So here are 3 option, in, on, into. So we have to choose the correct one, on, and after that write on the given blanks. Next, number 4. In number 4, the money is hidden under the mattress. Here we have to choose the correct word, which is under, and after that write on the given blanks. Okay. Next, number 5, I haven't seen him blank yesterday. So here are 3 options, for, since, from. So we have to choose the correct one, since, and after that write on the given blanks. Okay. Now come to the next, number 6, you must finish your work dash the time I return. So here are 3 options, by, in, at. So we have to write at. Okay student. Now come to the next. In number 7, we had to jump blank the hurdle bar in the race. So student, here are three examples: below, over, down. So we have to choose the correct one, which is below, and we have to write on the given blanks. Okay. Now number 8, my mother told me to return before dark. Here we choose the correct before, and after that write on the given blanks. Okay student. Now come to the next. So next is number 9, the band performed blank 4 hours. So we have to choose the correct sense, and after that write on the given blanks. Now come to the next, number 10, the guest knocked blank the door. So we have to choose the correct one at, and after that write on the given blanks. The guest knocked at the door. Okay student. So now after the completing exercise A, come to the next exercise, which is exercise B. In exercise B, there is a fill in the blanks with the kind of preposition mentioned in the brackets. So students, let's do the exercise. So in number 1, there is a sentence: the swimmer dived blank the pool. Okay, the pool. The swimmer dived blank the pool. Here are the kinds of preposition is movement. So we have to write the correct movement preposition word into. The swimmer dived into the pool. Okay. Number 2, a windjammer is hanging dash his head. So here are the showing the kinds of preposition is place. So we have to write over. O-V-E-R, over. Okay student. Now come to the next, number 3. What did you do blank Saturday? So here are the preposition kind is time. So we have to write on. What do you do? What did you do on Saturday? Okay. Now come to the next, number 4. In number 4, there is a I hung my coat blank the door. Here are the kinds of place. So we have to write in front of the door. Okay, in front of the door. Now come to the number 5. My cat ran blank the rat. Okay, so here we have to write after. Now next is Mr. Smith has a brown hat blank his head. So here are the kinds of place. So we have to write on. O-N, on his head. Now come to the next, number 7. So in number 7, I haven't gone to Nainital in 2012. Here are the kinds of time, preposition of time. So we have to write in. Okay. Now number 8. In number 8, the boys played football blank the field. Here are the kinds of plays. So we have to write in. I-N, in. And now next, number 9, Tanu and Manu went blank the hill. So here are the kinds of preposition movement. So we have to write up to the hill. Tanu and Manu went up to the hill. Okay student. Now come to the last one. The last one is number 10. They started their journey blank 6 in the morning. They started their journey. So we have, here are the kinds of time. So we have to write at. They started their journey at 6 in the morning. Okay student. So student, have you all completed your exercise A and B? So I hope you all are understood very well. And now in this video, that's it. And now I am explaining the next exercises, remaining exercises in my next video. Okay student. So till then, you have do these exercises in your SW copy with a good handwriting, and keep practice of the preposition words. And now, thank you.